Hello guys, welcome to my first IGTV tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute heart-shaped rosette. So let's get started. Here I'm taking a colored cardstock which is around 15.5 inches and its breadth is 2 inches. Now I'm scoring it at an interval of half inches along its length. If you want a rosette bigger than the one I have shown here, then take the breadth measurement broader than what I have told. Also make sure that you have to take a longer length of cardstock, otherwise it will not fold up as a circle in the end. After finishing the scoring, fold the cardstock in half. Half an inch is coming as extra, so I'm cutting it out. Now I'm drawing a fish-shaped wave with a pencil. I generally cut it randomly, but if you are not confident, go with the pencil first and then cut accordingly. It does not need to be perfect, just cut it like a fish-shaped. Now I'm just opening it and start folding it in a zigzag way, just like I do in a normal rosette. So after folding it, it looks like this. Now I'm joining the sides. Now I'm cutting the extra triangles that are showing. Now I have cut a circle on which I'm going to paste the rosette. Apply glue and spread it nicely. Adjust it accordingly. Here I have my beautiful heart-shaped rosette. Do comment down below if this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.